Today we're making pan-seared cod. You can use just about any flaky white fish for this recipe, but it is one of my kids' favorites. Less than 30 minutes to make it, and you will love the sauce. And I'm craving some pan-seared cod, so let's get started. You'll want to pat dry your fish with paper towels, then season all over with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Make sure to season both sides generously. It's a workout. It's got some weight to it, you know? Whew, okay. Now we're ready to start cooking. Set a large, non-stick and preferably non-reactive skillet over medium-high heat and add some olive oil. Once your oil is shimmering, add the fish in a single layer, starting with the top side down. You're gonna saute that undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes, and it definitely helps to use a splatter guard when cooking fish to keep your stovetop clean. You'll know the fish is ready to flip when it's golden brown on the first side, and it should release easily from the pan. Once you flip the fish, reduce the heat to medium and continue cooking for another 2 to 4 minutes or until the fish is seared on the second side, and it should reach an internal temperature of at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer your fish to a separate plate. Now in the same skillet, no need to wash it, add your cherry tomatoes along with your white wine, butter, and minced garlic. Stir that over medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes, and as you stir, scrape up any browned bits from the bottom of the skillet. This will add more flavor to your sauce. The sauce is ready when the liquid is reduced and the tomatoes start to soften and burst. That's when you know to put the fish back in the pan. Turn off the heat, and last but not least, garnish with a generous 2 tablespoons of parsley or fresh basil. Oh, I am so drooling over this right now. And honestly, I think it looks even more delicious in person than in the book, and this is pretty gorgeous, so. And you'll notice that I used some basil here. I totally forgot to buy basil, but parsley works just fine. You can totally serve this on a platter. I love doing that when I'm making more, like when I'm doubling the recipe, because it really looks so pretty on a platter, but family style in the skillet, less dishes to wash, that is what I'm all about. So I'm going to just dig right into this, and make sure that once you have the fish back in the pan, that you spoon those tomatoes and yummy pan juices over the top. If you kind of tilt the pan, it'll pool in the corner here, and then you can spoon it over the top, but it adds so much flavor. Remember, the sauce has some white wine in it, has garlic. It's just so simple but so good. We're gonna infuse every bite with flavor here. Seriously, my kids get like their eyes light up when they see this dish. They love it. And my husband too. Right, husband?
Yep, I ate it cold.
Yep, he even loves it cold, which we saved him some, okay? There's usually never leftovers of this dish. Okay, I'm just gonna dig in. And the way that I like to serve it to make this a meal is I'll cook some pasta till it's al dente on the side, and then you can even, like, if you want to, toss the pasta with some of the pan juices. It makes the perfect sauce, and then it's just an easy dinner. All right, here's a big bite for me. I love the big pieces of fish the most. So flaky and delicious. Okay, I'm gonna get a little tomato on there. I love just the juicy burst of tomato in there. It's the best. Trying to get both on my fork. Okay, here we go. Oh. This is 10 out of 10. Every time, without fail. It is so good. Oh, I need a plate here because just one bite is not gonna cut it. I'm loading up. I'm loading up. My poor husband is just watching, eagerly waiting for his portion. Don't worry, honey. I made a good amount here. I'm not gonna eat it all.
Good thing it's just the two of us.
Good thing it's just the two of us right now. I definitely will make another batch for the kids because I bought double the fish. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's seriously so delicious. Something so simple comes together so fast, and you can use just about any white flaky fish here. I'm using cod, but you can totally use halibut. You can use, what else did I write? I'm cheating over here. Sea bass, sole fillets, grouper, pretty much whatever you wanna use. It is so simple, elegant, absolutely delicious. Oh, and the fish is perfectly cooked. Has a little bit of that golden sear on the outside, but it's so juicy and flaky in the center. You guys are gonna love it. This is one of those dishes that you will make over and over and over, just like all the recipes in my cookbook. If you haven't got your hands on this already, I will link to this in the notes, and you can see that this is well loved. I seriously cook from my own cookbook all the time. Let me know where you guys spotted Sharky in the video, and if you have any recipe requests, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen. Okay. Okay, honey, you can come and eat now. So good, it's so good. I'll do my happy dance. Yummy.